So this is the DB31X Pro from Power Sports Max. I don't get paid for saying that, just I want to give them props and a shout out because it is an amazing bike. It's 110cc, semi-automatic. Yeah, I got this from for me and my 5-year-old son, but it's at least what I told my wife. It's kind of really for me. But it holds enough weight for me and him. You could adjust the shocks, and he loves it. I sit him on the front. I'm about 5'10", and he's about, I don't know, 3 foot something. We both fit. It's amazing. It's about 20 degrees here. I gave another review, the first one, but that was in the street. Now I want to show you what it's like to rip it through some hills. Sorry about the delay. Always calm it. Gloves. This thing's fast, but it's you can make it slow enough for your kiddo.